Bienvenue guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some honey Cajun chicken wings, and for this I'll be using 3 pounds of chicken wings, some black pepper, sea salt, and I'll be using some Cajun seasoning. Now with this Cajun seasoning, you can see what the ingredients are. It says garlic, spices including black pepper, cayenne pepper, oregano, chili powder, sea salt, onion, paprika, and red and green bell peppers. I like this brand because there's no MSG. Now my seasoning is very simple for this recipe. I'm going in with my salt, my black pepper, and followed by my Cajun seasoning. Now I'm doing this in my air fryer, so I'm not using wet ingredients like I would usually use my Caribbean green seasoning. So I'm just doing it more like a dry rub. Now we're gonna rub all these seasonings onto the chicken, making sure that every piece of wing gets some of that Cajun seasoning, that salt, and that freshly ground black pepper. So it's all seasoned. Now I'm going to place it to a side and I'm gonna start getting my air fryer ready. So to get my air fryer started, I have to hit air fry and then start, and then it's gonna let me know when I can add the meat in. So after about 3 minutes, the indicator said to add food. So I'm going ahead and adding the wings. Now don't put them too closely together. They need a little bit of space between each other so they don't stick. And with the air fryer, it's going to tell you to flip it after about, I would say, 18 to 20 minutes. Because for frying the chicken, it gives me a time of 25 minutes. Now you do not have to add any oil to this, and that is why this is seen as a healthier option to prepare your food. So now everything is in the tray. I'm going to place the tray back into the air fryer and allow it to finish cook. And it's now indicating that I need to flip the pieces of chicken over. So that is what I'm going to be doing now. So I'm going to place the tray back in and allow it to finish cook, and we're going to start working on our sauce. So here in my cast iron pot, I put in 2 tablespoons of butter already that has melted. And our next step is we're going to start going in with our Cajun seasoning. And we're using the same Cajun seasoning from earlier. I'm going to put exact measurements in the description box at the bottom as well. And next we're going to be going in with our pure honey. And then using my spatula, I'm just going to combine everything together. Now you can taste it to see if you need more honey or if you need more Cajun seasoning. Now I'm going to allow the sauce to thicken up before I go in with my chicken. That usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Nice. You guys can see how thick the sauce got. And I'm going to go in with my chicken. Now we're going to be flipping over the pieces of chicken to make sure that every piece gets some of that sauce on there. My stove is now off. My chicken is perfect. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video. Hopefully you guys are already subscribed. If you haven't done so, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thanks again and have a good one.